Okay, Mr. Payne here. I'm going to walk you guys through task 2. So we're back at our Geogebra screen. Let's open up a new geometry project. Make sure you signed in. Go to your settings. Show axes. And major grid lines. Alright, so task 4 is talking about congruent quadrilaterals. So we're going to use our polygon tool. And you're going to make a quadrilateral, which is a 4-sided figure. And can make it kind of funky. Don't make it like a square or something boring like a rectangle. Okay. I have my my quadrilateral here, A, B, C, D. Now I click the Move tool, and when I click on this quadrilateral, if I go to these 3 dots here, I can go ahead and click Duplicate. Alright, and now I have a congruent figure over here. Now I don't like these A1, B1, C1, D1 points. We're going to change those. So we're going to click on our point here. We're going to go to the Label tool. Click on our point, go to our Label tool. We're going to change A to E. And you could change it to whatever letter you want. I just don't want you to have A1. Okay? We're going to change B1 to F. And then G. And finally H. If you want to put the locations of the points, feel free to do so. It's not really necessary for this part. Now we're going to find the measure of each angle inside in each figure. And obviously the corresponding sides should have the same measure, but let's just make sure that's true. So we'll do our distance tool, go from A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A. We'll do the same thing, EF, F, G, G, H, H, E. And now we'll measure our given angles. So I'll do A, B, C, B, C, D, C, D, A, D, A, B. Same thing over here, right? You're just clicking your 3 points. The angle measures should be the same because these figures are congruent. And now I've done it. So I have 8 matching things. This side's congruent to this side's congruent to this side, this angle's congruent to this angle, so on and so forth. Now the next part's a little tricky. I want you to write some congruent statements. So you're going to click on text, click somewhere off the picture, and now we got to go to advanced. And to drag this box around, there's kind of like a hidden spot on the top right you got to click. Okay, So we're going to click right here where it has these Greek letters, and we're going to use some of these symbols. So we want to use our angle symbol. So all three of these are fine. Let's use this one. So angle A congruent to angle, and what is it congruent to? Angle A is congruent to angle E. I'll just type that in. Whoops. Angle E. Put a comma. I find that if you hit enter, it gets tricky to type in, so I just use a comma. We're going to do angle B congruent to angle F. Whoops. Angle C congruent to angle G, and angle D congruent to angle H. Hit OK. Alright, and move that somewhere where you can see it. And the final step is just to write your name and the task, and then save and export as before. And now you should be done with your tasks. Task 5 is optional, so it's up to you if you would like to do it.